guys, so this is another video called the minimum distance between BST trees. So someone give a binary search tree, and you need to find basically you can list all the node, and you need to find a minimum difference of any two node. So for example, 1 and 2 are minimal, so the answer is 1, or 2 or 3 are minimal, the answer is 1. Okay, and since we already solved this binary tree in order traversal, so we can get the answer very easily. We first copy our code, so just copy paste here, and so we can suppose we can already solve the binary tree in order, so we can solve it in order, and call. So when we call this, then we already have this in order list. So in order list means the in order list for this tree. So in this case, the in order list will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So this L is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So let me run for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And notice that since this is binary search tree, so we don't have to sort the array. So then we just calculate the minimum distance for each pair. Then I return the minimum. Since this is the binary search tree, so the in order L must be the strictly increasing list. Okay, so you see it's very fast. Okay, so I will see you guys in other videos. By the way, once you can solve the tree traversal, and you can solve many other Leetcode problems, basically you just use this function. Basically you use this and this function. Okay. And if you don't know how I get this, then you should go to the previous video 94 and search for it. Then you can see why this is correct. Okay, so I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.